Stand still, Mama, I'm trying to eat here. Yeah, stand still, I'm trying to eat. You keep moving around. Hey, Messy. I got two calves here, driving me crazy. This one here that was born last February, Valentine's Day. Mama walked away on you again. Eh? And you've been trying to eat. Yeah, you've been trying to eat. Yeah, and Mama keeps walking away. Yeah, you get that nipple there. Yeah, you get that nipple. Yeah, you get that nipple. No, Mama's walking away on you again. Yeah, Mama's walking away on you again. Hey, Mama. Your little girl's trying to eat and you keep walking away. Because you want to get them pellets I put out. Yeah, you want to get those pellets I put out. Yeah. 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 Oh, what's the matter, girl? Eh? And I got this one sucking on my coat. I just gave her pail of milk. Yeah, today it's overcast. -8 Celsius today. So it's about 4 degrees Fahrenheit. Somewhere around there. And it is January the 9th, I think, today. It's Tuesday, I believe. Yeah, I believe it's... Whoa, you head-butted me. You head-butted me. Yeah, and then I got this girl over here that I raised because she almost died when I found her way back in the bush last February. When Mama went way back there in the bush and the snow was up to my armpits. She was in the house for 3 days. Only because she had an injured hip, and I'm not sure whether Mama stepped on her or if Mama was standing up and it hit the solid ice where Mama had been laying in the snow and it was just frozen ice. Or what happened, but she wouldn't put weight on it. Look at this thing. She's just sucking away on my jacket here like crazy. Just gnawing away at me. That wind is cold. I put that bale of hay out yesterday morning. So that's one, you saw me when I last gave a bale of hay, and I had to give this one yesterday. So it's about every 5 days I go through a bale. Hey, girl. Oh. There's the little guy over there. Yeah. I've seen her eating hay a little bit here and there. That calf. But see, Mama keeps pulling hay out of the feeder to cover her baby up at night. And I have to go and pitchfork it. She's making a bed there for her baby to lay down on right now. That's what she's doing there. That's why she spread that out. But every time the calf gets up, she makes a new bed someplace else for it. For the next time it wants to lay down. Which keeps me pitchforking hay back into the feeder every day. What are you doing? Hey? Oh! That was a bad place to headbutt me. Yes, that was a bad place to headbutt me. They're gonna get you, Shania. Yeah, they're gonna get you. Yeah, they're gonna get you. Oh. Hey. Yeah, just gray skies like every day. They were calling for 2 centimeters of snow yesterday, but it never came. But it feels really damp feeling. And that's what kills my back with the arthritis, the dampness. You guys are being a pain in my butt. Yeah, you're being a pain in my butt. Hey, that's not nice. It's not nice of you, no. That headbutting's not nice. Whew, that hand's getting cold. That hand is getting really cold. Got no circulation in 3 of the fingers. Oh, hey, don't be doing that. It doesn't feel good. No, it doesn't feel good. I don't feel good at all. Yeah, another fall where the forklift got stuck right here. And my boom truck wasn't running, it was down for over a month. What the hell was the problem with it though? Well, first of all, I thought it was frozen up with ice. And I put methyl hydrate and let it sit for a few days. And I got it started and it was backfiring like crazy and backfiring and no power to move. And then it would clear up and I was able to feed a bale of hay, but I was lacking power, but it wasn't backfiring as bad anymore. And then one day it wouldn't start again, and I checked for spark and I had no spark. And I checked for power at the coil and I didn't have no power, but as I wiggled the wiring harness, I'd get power, and it would stay until I would move the wiring harness again, it would quit. Well, I ended up cutting the electrical tape off that whole wiring harness right to the firewall. And somebody had used one of those stupid blue stake-on connectors. It's got the little blade that you splice into a wire. Well, that thing was all half melted and corroded and everything else. It was hitting and missing on making contact. That caused me 2 months of grief on that boom truck. So by the time I got here to pull the forklift out, it was frozen solid. And I had to hook chains on a chain to the roof of it and winch it sideways and pull the tires loose on one side and then put the chain on the other side and winch it and pull it. And so I just dragged it over there, and that's where it stayed until springtime. Because I knew it was too cold for it to start on propane unless I put the heat gun on the regulator. spent the winter over here 2 winters ago. I got stuck in the fall with all the rain. Yeah, what are you doing? Eh? What are you doing to me? Eh? What are you doing to me? Eh? Well, Shania, should we go in the house? I'm getting cold. Getting very cold. I just finished feeding the pigs and taking feed down for her into her little barn down there, and put a little more straw in there for the baby calf and for her. And I put some pellets in there for her. And yesterday I put pellets in. I give her one of those 4-liter sour cream containers full, and some days she eats the whole thing by the next day, and other days she only eats about half. And when I just went down there, the whole container was empty. And I topped it up yesterday, it was only half gone. But this morning the whole thing was gone, so I topped it up with the not alfalfa pellets, but they got minerals and everything. They're brewer sprout. They're brewer sprout pellets, pelletized. And they got minerals and 17% protein in them. And I just gave these guys a bunch of them. I only give it to them every once in a while. I've been trying to get Mama to get more, so she's producing more milk, but when you got a bunch of bullies, well, you know the routine. They don't care about each other. They just want to make sure they get everything. Okay, say bye-bye, girl. Yeah, say bye-bye. We're gonna go in the house. It's getting really cold. This wind. Okay, guys, take care. Just a little update today. Normal winter day out here. Cold and gloomy. Yeah, we don't see the sun very much in the summertime, and everybody on YouTube says, oh, go solar, go solar. What's solar gonna do here? I got a solar panel over there on the back side of the garage over there for charging the batteries and for a little bit of backup power when the power goes out, but I end up starting my generator because it can't run the well because it's 220 volt. And it only runs a couple of lights in the house for a few hours when the power goes out. Oh, there's the baby. Trying to eat off Mama again. Okay, guys, later.